Hi, my name is Wayne Morgan, and I'm the co-founder of the Real Estate Business School, where you get your license and learn to use it. I created the professional package and added 30 hours of mentoring to it to show you how to get started faster. Even though I had been in sales for over 15 years before I got into real estate, I made less than $5,000 my first year. I'm glad I got into real estate. I love the business, but it takes too long to get started producing income. So based on my experience from hundreds of transactions over 30 years, I created a program for beginners like you who want to get started now and want to know what to do and how to do it. I've handpicked my best instructors, and we're going to teach you how to get up and running in 10 days. We offer two Get Started packages. A basic package, these are the required courses, and the exam prep course needed to get a license. But if you want to accelerate the process and jump to the front of the line, we offer our professional program, and for the first time ever, we've included 30 hours of hands-on mentoring with experienced brokers in your pre-licensing course package. No other school offers this program. The difference between the successful agents and the agents who struggle is the amount and type of education they have. Successful agents spend time learning more about how to be better at what they do. So if you want to get to the closing table faster and start getting paid sooner, click on the professional package and I'll see you in class. The next class starts soon, so get your license now so you can have a great 2019. Thank you for visiting our site. Good luck in your business.